zigzag conversion. In this problem we have to fix and solve. Suppose we have given the PayPal is hiring string, we have to print this string like this: PayPal is hiring if the number of row is equal to 3, like this. Here the example number of this example here, and here if the number of row is equal to 4, then we have to print like this: PayPal is hiring and if the number of rows is equal to 1, we have to just return the same string as given. Let's fix this problem. How to solve in JavaScript? If num row is equal to 1, then we have to return the same string. Let's initialize one variable to store the result. Result is empty string. For I start the row from 0, let r from 0, I r less than num row okay, and r plus plus. Increment, let increment. What will be the increment? If the number of rows equal to 3, the first character and the second character gap 1 2 3 4. If the number of rows equal to 3, the for first row there will be the gap between the two character will be 4, and if the number of rows equal to 2, the gap between less than 2 1 2. Here you can see first 1 2, and for second row there will be third gap 1 gap, here the second is this gap. In case of number of rows equal to 4, then what would the gap? First row 1 2 3 4 5 6, and for second row 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, like this, and for third row 1. So here will be the logic. Num rows minus 1 into 2. Let's start second loop for character. For let I is equal to 0, I less than I will start for every loop from the r, and you start length I plus is equal to increment. Result is equal to s of I. If number of row, suppose for second row and third row, for number of row in the middle of the row, r greater than 0 and r less than num rows minus 1, and so what will be the middle row increment and condition? So I plus increment minus 2r, each row decreases by 2 from the first, 2 into r, okay, and result plus is equal to yes, this is the value. Here we have to return now we have to return the result variable. Let's check. Here the problem is increment, ठीक है, okay, less than f dot length. There will be this. And the problem is here I increment, ठीक है, summation. The value here the problem is fixed.